Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change a circle shape, fill color or background color using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. I'll change this shape, fill color. First select this tools option and scroll down. Here you will find this comment option. Now select your shape, click on the shape and here you will find this color option. This is fill color and this is border color. I'll say this fill color and see this. Also you can change this border color and also change this shape fill color, this color option, this fill color and this border color. You can add more fill colors. Click this gear icon and here you will find this fill color option and select other fill color and you can add this custom fill color and select OK and see this. In this you can change a shape fill color and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.